Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. We are going to study chapter 14 statistics, exercise 14.3, question 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So there are 40 leaves are there whose lengths are measured in millimeter. So here the data is given to us. So there are 3 leaves are there whose measurements are between 118 to 126 millimeter. There are 5 leaves are there whose measurements are 127 to 135 millimeter. So there are 9 leaves whose length, these are length, okay, measurement or the length is between 136 to 144 millimeter. There are 12 leaves are there whose lengths are 145 to 153 millimeter. So this is the data is given to us, the number of leaves are here. So what we have to find out? Find the median length of the leaves. So we have to find the median. So just put the formula and then get it. Now here you see, hint is given to you. The data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median. Since the formula assumes continuous classes, the classes then change to 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5. So already clue is given to you here. Okay, so you see here, there is no continuation here. See, there are 3 leaves between 118 to 126 length. But then here it is 127. That means there is a gap is there. There is no continuation. So whenever you get this type of data, first you have to convert the class size into a continuation form. Even if they don't give you hint in the exam, you have to see first whether it is continuation form or not. So there is no continuation form. First we have to convert this into a continuation form. So how do we do that? Here it is given to you, but in case if it is not given to you, how you have to do? You will take the upper limit from the first part, from the second part take the lower limit. Between these two, what is the difference? 127 minus 126 will give us 1. Then from here, just exactly half you have to take. So half of 1 is half. In decimal, 0.5. So once you get this, what you have to do? From the lower limit, you subtract this. And in the upper limit, you have to add that. Means 0.5 you will subtract here, 0.5 you will add here. So then if you subtract, it will become 117.5 and when you add, it will become 126.5. Then here you subtract, it will become 126.5. This will become 135.5. Then this becomes 135.5, then 144.5. So here becomes less, here becomes more. Then that way we get the continuation. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So I have copied down the question as it is. So this we have to convert into a continuation form. So let's write down once again. Length of the leaves in millimeter. Okay, so then this will be 117.5 because 0.5 is subtract, here we add, then 126.5, then 126.5, 135.5, 0.5, 144.5, then 144.5, 153.5. So 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5 to 180.5. So like that we have to convert this. This is our length of the leaves in millimeter. So now check now frequency. Now frequency you see. In the total, total it is said 40 leaves, right? So we haven't got the last value 40. So that means this is frequency, correct? Frequency, small f. Okay, if the last value 40, that if it comes here last, then you can say that is CF. So that means now here we have to find out CF. Because for median we have to find out the CF. CF, how do we find out? First you write the frequency value. So with that you add the next value. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 12, 29. 29 plus 5, 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 plus 2, 40. You see the last value, total 40 leaves. So that we got it here. So CF last value will be the same, and here the sum, capital N, or sum of Fi is 40. You count this 40. So this value and this value should match. Then only you can say you are in a right track. Okay, now let's find out the median. So median formula is lower limit plus n upon 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. Let's write down the value. So first of all we have to see for the highest frequency. So here frequency is here. So which is the highest? Highest is 12. Okay. So let's take this. So this is our F frequency. This is our lower limit. This is our upper limit. And just before this will be our CF or capital F. Okay. So we have everything now. Just put the value now. You can write down also. L is lower limit. That is 144.5. Then n upon 2. N upon 2. Capital N is 40. So 40 by 2, 20. Then CF is, just I told you, just before that will be CF, that is 17. Then small f is frequency, that is 12. Then H is class interval. Class interval is upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit will give us what? Is 153 minus 0.5 minus 144.5. So that will give us 0. 13, 9, 9. So we have all the values. Now let's put it now. Median we have to find out. So L is 144.5. N upon 2 is 20 minus CF is 17. F frequency is 12. H is 9. So now with table 3 you can cancel. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, 12. So now for 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 will give us 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9 upon 4. So if you do the division of this, we will get 2.25. So if you total it, we will get 146. 146.75. You can total and see. Sum up 2.25. 5, 7. Okay. So this is in which we have to write millimeter. Okay. So median class, right? This is in millimeter. This is our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.